Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Vietnam. This is Vifon Korean style kimchi instant noodle. Sounds interesting. It floors me, I haven't tried it. So you don't have to cook it in here. Says you just need to take it and put this and all the sachets in a pot with 400 milliliters of water. And I think that's what I choose to do. For 3 minutes, of course. There's the noodle block. And we've got a vegetables sachet. And then we have a soup base powder sachet. Been a while since I've had any Vietnamese stuff. I think the last time I did it was a Meet the Manufacturer. Was that this year? Yeah, maybe it was. I need to update that part of my site too. And finally we have a sachet of chili powder. Get that all in there. Also comes with a fork. So that is groovy. And I'll just use, here, I'll give it a quick swizzle. As is my way. There. Lid it. Wow, it fits right on top. That's kind of neat. And 1, 2, 3 minutes. So there we go. So, what's the big news today? It's tough because I'm like, what is it, October 4th where you are? I think it is. For me, it's July 8th. I think, yeah, it's July 8th, and this episode will come out October 4th. That's like so much can happen between now and then. The aliens could have landed. God only knows what's happened between now and then. But yeah, there's a movie that came out, I'm sure you can still watch it, called The Tomorrow War. And we watched it, but there's this guy, and what he does is really funny. He does pitch meetings. I don't know what his channel's called. That came off. Yes. And he does pitch meetings for movies that have come out. Like how did this freaking movie get made? You know. It's pretty funny. I'll see if I can dig up what the guy's name is. But he does both parts. He's like the guy who's doing the pitching and the guy who's being pitched to. And with that Tomorrow War movie, if you've seen it, it's like, it's funny. So he falls down, this happens, blah, blah, blah. And he wakes up and he just like gets hit and he passes out and he wakes up in the Dominican Republic. Oh, waking up out of nowhere in the Dominican Republic is tight. Totally tight, bro. Yeah, it's pretty funny. Anyways, probably thinking like, what's this guy on? What's he doing? What's he talking? Let's do our quote of the day from the book Momo Fukuando Speaks. Quotations from the man. I don't know why it does that, but all of a sudden it just like crapped out on me yet again. It seems to be recording. I don't know if it's too hot. There's nothing I can tell for a reason that it does that, but it just like pooped out. I like look over here, it says connection lost. I don't know why. I wish I did. I'd really love to know why. Is it getting too hot? And now I gotta keep an eye on it because this thing's lost the connection to it. So we have a kimchi flavor noodle from Vietnam. And here we go, it's gonna be hot. I like that. I like that. Here's the broth. It looks as if though it's got some kimchi in it. Some vegetable matter. That's good. My God, I forgot again about the stupid mung bean sprouts. I'm always at a, like, panicking. I gotta get mung bean sprouts. Where are the mung bean sprouts? I gotta go get them. And then it's like, well, I got them, but I don't have any. Or I do, and then it's just like I haven't used them. Here we go. Let's throw some mung bean sprouts in here. There's a few. And then it's time to add in some of the Wonder, the green onion. I hope you can see that. I'm sorry if you can't. I've got a couple dumplings that I'm going to put in there right now. Here and here. I think I'm going to slop some of that liquid on top of them. There you go. Sound effects free of charge. That's a lot of, wow. So I'm gonna hope that what I'm doing here works out. If it doesn't, my apologies, but what can I do? My thing isn't connecting to my thing. I can try to connect it. Let's see if it connects again. That'd be groovy if it does. I'm not expecting anything. Oh! Look at that! Alright, Rotato, do your stuff. well, it's been a long time since I've done this one, and that's what you're gonna see on the next episode. This is Paldo Cheese Ramen. This has been on the top 10 list for a while. It fell off the top 10 list, but it's definitely in the top 15, top 20. This is seriously good stuff from South Korea. If you find it, get it, eat it, yum. So, Non's Ramen Raider. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.